Oh, morning everybody, it's Pastor Pete here, and I just wanted to follow on from Silverfish's video and a few of the other guys that are doing a comparison on prices for websites. Now I'm going to do a comparison on the Chinese 2013 Panda, and I'm going to start with the gold bullion company. In the UK we have to include 20% additional VAT on top of every purchase for silver, which is grim. Gold isn't too bad, but obviously it's difficult to buy gold at the moment in any quantity because of the cost. So what I tend to do is buy about 5 coins and get them shipped over. Now there are a few websites in Britain that I've been looking at. This particular website, the Gold Bullion Co, says that if you want one panda it's £32 and 36 pence, which is really high. Obviously it's saying that it's free delivery on this particular thing, which is good. On Bullion UK they're £27.74 a piece, including VAT. So you're saving £3 there. And this is the one I always use, which is coininvestdirect.com. They're based in Germany, but the prices are always much better than shipping straight from the UK. So I'm getting the panda there at £22.49, which compared to £32.36 is a saving of almost 10 quid. So if I'm buying 5 pandas, for example, even with the extra delivery costs, I'm still saving myself a bunch of money. So I just wanted to show you the trials of being a UK stacker, and I would definitely recommend this website, coininvestdirect.com. I buy all my silver from there, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.